My name is Bill Buschle, and I am the Manager of Applications Development at BTG Labs. I have experience in materials chemistry and process development and a PhD in chemical engineering. Specifications are important because they allow design teams to transfer knowledge about their products to production, manufacturing, and quality control teams in a very concrete and scalable way. While some specifications, like dimensions, part finish, and material grade, are well established and easy to implement, a specification for surface treatment requires a knowledge of adhesion mechanics and surface chemistry that is usually outside of the expertise of a typical design team. If you need to establish a treatment spec, you need to do three things. First, you need to establish the adhesion performance required for your part. Let's say we are painting a polyolefin plastic car bumper. We need to understand how well that paint needs to stick to the car bumper. For paint performance, this is typically defined qualitatively with a crosshatch test or quantitatively with a peel strength test. The second thing you need to do is understand the connection between the surface treatment process you're using and the adhesion performance. Let's say we are flame treating this plastic car bumper to improve adhesion performance. What we would want to do is we would want to baseline a bumper that hasn't been treated and see what its paint adhesion performance is, and then we would want to map out various surface treatments and connect them with the adhesion performance. Typically, with flame treatment, we would see adhesion performance go up as you effectively treated, and then eventually it would go back down as you overtreated. Once you have that design of experiments established, you are then able to use surface inspection tools like our Surface Analyst product to quantitatively understand the effectiveness of the treatment. An important point here is that you want to define a surface specification both before and after the treatment. So that way you can understand what variety of surface states are coming into your treatment process. Maybe your part has various degrees of aging, maybe it's a slightly different material grade, or it could even have contamination on the surface. Developing an incoming material spec will allow your production and quality control teams to understand what kind of tolerance your surface treatment has to a variety of surfaces, while establishing the outgoing surface treatment process will ensure that the treatment was effective and that the surface is ready for bonding. Developing an incoming material spec will allow production and quality control teams to understand what variety of surfaces a treatment process can tolerate, while establishing an outgoing surface treatment process will ensure that the surface treatment was effective and the surface is ready for bonding. BTG Labs provides a suite of product development services to help our customers through the surface treatment specification process, as well as surface inspection tools to help monitor and control surface critical processes. A key takeaway of surface treatment specifications is that you need to establish one both before and after a given surface treatment. And you need to relate the surface treatment specification to the adhesion performance of your part.